Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore hiring a realtor for investment deals with Compass step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your investment goals. Determine the types of properties that align with your objectives. Research the local real estate market to understand trends. Choose Compass as your brokerage for its resources and expertise. Find a local Compass agent with experience in investment deals. Schedule a consultation with your chosen agent to discuss your goals. Share your budget and financing options with the agent. Ask about the current inventory of properties that fit your criteria. Review potential investment properties together with your agent. Visit selected properties to assess their condition and potential. Discuss the pros and cons of each property in detail. Request comparable market analysis for the properties you're interested in. Evaluate the potential return on investment for each option. Inquire about any necessary repairs or renovations. Negotiate terms with the seller through your agent. Prepare and submit an offer once you've selected a property. Be ready to adjust your offer based on the seller's response. Once your offer is accepted, conduct a thorough inspection. Review the inspection report with your agent and determine next steps. Finalize financing details with your lender. Work with your agent on closing details and paperwork. Attend the closing to complete the purchase. Begin your journey as an investment property owner with guidance from Compass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.